Almost, buddy. Oh, one more, champ. Come up a little closer, buddy. Come up a couple steps closer. You can get this last one. Right there. There you go. What do you say? Colton, what do you say? Have a nice day, sir.
You too, sir.
Oh, sorry.